What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Dom's Crypto, where we talk about cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Before we get started, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos coming out. So today we want to be focused on what's going on in the market right now, and also how we're going to move forward and have the fundamentals of Bitcoin itself changed because of the recent dump that we've seen. So let's start off with the Bitcoin halving countdown. We're currently 57 days away from the halving event. And for those of you who are not aware, the coin reward will decrease from 12.5 to 6.25. So the amount of Bitcoins which are generated and those that are hitting the market will halve. And as you can see in the history with the previous halvings, that event has started massive uptrends for Bitcoin. It happened during the first halving, the second, and now that we're approaching the third halving, we'll see if that proves to be correct again. So what about the hash rate? The hash rate is the Bitcoin network and its performance, and that has been going up for months. The hash rate is not slowing down, even though we have a pretty bad situation when it comes to the price at the moment. So we're sitting at around 5.3k, and we were going to talk about how we're going to move forward from here. So I haven't sold my Bitcoin, and I'm not intending to. But the plan for the next months ahead, as we approach the Bitcoin halving, for me personally, is to add to my position and do it in a regular manner. The plan is to add in small chunks over the course of the next 90 to 120 days and doing it as often as possible. And what do I mean by often? Well, even daily. And as always, this is not financial advice, so I'm just talking about what I intend to do and how I intend to play the next months ahead of us. What this will allow me to do is build a strong position for the years ahead. As you guys know, I'm a firm believer in Bitcoin and its future. And as I say, this is a marathon, not a sprint. This is definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme, as many people portray it to be. The fundamentals don't change. Bitcoin, for me, is the money of the internet, digital gold. Even though right now it might not be the best hedge against the traditional markets, as we've seen, I think it's working its way to be exactly that as it grows. Right now, Bitcoin might be subject to many manipulations and price fluctuations based on margin exchanges and the futures. So for me, the current price is just a distraction. We have to look at the big picture, and the big picture doesn't change. Bitcoin's value in my eyes stays the same. And as we said, we have 57 days until the halving event. How do you feel about Bitcoin? Let me know in the comment section. Also, in the recent article in Cointelegraph, we can see some quotes from huge players in the market. Let's see what they think about the current market situation and the price plunge that we've experienced. Michael, the managing director of Grayscale, says, "I'm 7+ years into my digital currency journey. Years ago, I'd wake up in the middle of the night and check the prices or allow my stomach to churn when the market dropped. But I never have once lost faith in what this incredible community has built. Stay strong. Hodl on." Also, the CEO of Galaxy Digital, Mike Novogratz, who's a very popular person in this space, said, "Bitcoin is a battle-tested asset, which in time will prove its underlying strength as a genuine store of value. While Bitcoin has grown to fruition during a period of massive QE from central banks, it will in time prove its mettle as these policies surely begin to fail." A very encouraging thoughts there from both the guys. So how do you feel about the current market situation? Do you think the Bitcoin halving will be a catalyst for the uptrend? I've created a Telegram group where we openly discuss the market conditions, altcoins, and everything about cryptocurrencies. We're currently just around 340 members strong. So I do encourage you to join the channel and let me know your thoughts about the current market conditions and how you intend to play the next few months. This is it for today. I will see you in the next one.